Today I'm showing you how I'd done the exploding soccer ball. Now it's made up of 6 actually, and I'm going to put one in right now which I've forgotten, which is a main part. Now first thing I done was import my footage, which was this, just like that, but I cut it short at the end. Then I went into Mocha and tracked the car using that tool, and then I pressed this to track forwards, but I tracked it frame by frame. Then I hit export tracking data, copy to clipboard, and then create a new null object, hit command V, and then when that was there, I brought in my explosion, my first explosion, which was just like that, and then my second explosion, which is that, and then I parented them to the null object, and then this was just a static for the end. But there you get parented to the null object, so it will make it look more realistic. And because I've forgotten to do this right now, because I'm actually doing this before my video is on YouTube, but I'm a bit tired today, so I might sound a bit dopey, but I want to find something good smoke, and I like to use these. Like, I can also use these for muzzle flashes, but I don't find the smoke good enough on here. So you might have another way to use the Action Essentials pack, but this is how I use it. And that seems good just for the explosion. And I just drag that in, and this is all being done in like 10 minutes, so I'm not taking my time. Now I might make it start, which is right there, but that didn't look any real at all because it's not parented to the null object with my tracking data. So I'll parent it right now to null 1. And that way it stays in there, but I want it behind all my explosions, coming up from the back. And that is way too small, so I'm going to press S and bring the scale up. And reposition it. And you can't actually notice it, but it is a crucial part of the realism, if that's a word, for the illusion that it's actually happening. So it looks too fake at the start because it is put in, but then, you know, make it shorter obviously. That's about it.